Mandar, I see that you're on YouTube, and yes, I do have a roadmap on YouTube. So if you look at my channel, you can search for Data Science Roadmap for Students. It's one of the very first videos I made, and I laid out what I would be doing now vis-a-vis what I did to make the transition into data science. So I've updated it for modern day because I did it a while ago. I'm an old man. But yes, you can find it on my YouTube. It's one of the longest videos I've done. It's one of the first videos I did. I get this question all the time. That's why I made that video. And by the way, guys, I'm gonna say this again. In that video, I recommend a coding challenge, and I promise to help the people who do the coding challenge, and no one has come back yet. That video has a pretty good number of views, but no one has come back with the coding challenge yet. So think long and hard before you want to become a data scientist. But go ahead and look at that video. It's a full roadmap of what I would be doing to make the transition.